Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 22 October Wednesday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 4, number 7, number 16, number 24, number 34, number 36. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 7, number 16, number 24, number 34, number 36. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 17, number 27, number 29, number 41, number 42, number 45. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 17, number 27, number 29, number 41, number 42, number 45. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 22 and number 35 and number 38 and number 45. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 22, number 35, number 38, number 45. Now tea time prediction for 22 October Wednesday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 1, number 3, number 17, number 25, number 28, number 34. Tea time single prediction number repeat: number 1, number 3, number 17, number 25, number 28, number 34. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 12, number 16, number 26, number 35, number 38, number 43. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 12, number 16, number 22, number 35, number 38, number 43. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 28 and number 36, number 43, number 47. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 28 and number 36 and number 43 and number 47. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video